I'm going to just, before we introduce our guest, I'm just going to talk about the fundamental difference between me and you, right? So I've just made you a cup of coffee, and there's a placemat, cup of coffee, and there's a placemat just there, and I've put it out of the way so you don't knock anything off, and you've ignored.
Your brain calling your heart going, hey guys, just going to ready everyone. Robert's just going to leave on his nicotine patch again. Oh, what, by accident? No. He feels that he could actually, he feels that we're not working hard enough for him.
Do you know, like, if you go on a roller coaster, are you into roller coasters?
No.